welcome back to a new vlog and to the November edit for One Piece 5 looks, which is my favorite kind of vlog because I get to wear all my outfits and I love doing that. And yeah, disclaimer, there'll be a lot of background noises because there's a lot of traffic and something going on in the building, so sorry for that. Anyway, let's move on and let me show you the elephant in the room, which is going to be the piece that's going to be showcased today, with which I'm going to style outfits. Let me show you. Ta-da! So this is the princess that I'm going to style today with so many dresses. And yeah, it's a new one in my collection. I'll be talking about it more in another vlog, but yeah, today I'm going to style it. It's chocolate brown and it's crop print, which is something I love. And I think I told you it's from Lino Barros, which is another of my favorite brands. Anyway, enough babbling about the bag. Let's get on with the first outfit. So this is the first outfit, and as you can see, it's very autumnal. Of course, it's a homage to the ongoing autumn season, which is one of my favorites because I get to wear all my dark dresses, which I don't usually wear in summers. Anyway, I'm babbling again. So I'm wearing my brown trousers with this very favorite top of mine. This is from Code. This is a nice soft material and it has nice polka dots all over it, self-colored. And this bag goes perfectly with it because it's an entirely like brown combination, along with my favorite Chitopia brown boots, which go perfectly with this, and it's giving me proper shopping vibes. So let me know what you think. This outfit is a 10 on 10 for me when it comes to shopping in autumn. Love it. All right, this is look number two, and it is clearly lounge, airport lounge vibes. So, as you know, that I have to travel a lot and I have to wait in airport lounges many times. It becomes very difficult to wear those, tight fitting jeans and all of those things. But this kind of outfits go perfectly for airport. And this bag, it is so spacious, so you can even maybe put this cardigan inside in case you don't want to carry it, or a scarf inside that can help you stay warm in case it gets cooler. And yeah, this pant is very new in my collection. I just bought it from Surat, I think. I'm not sure where I buy it from, but yeah, this is a lovely, how say, dark chocolate brown. It looks a little tan, but or you can say light brown, but it's dark brown. And this T-shirt I have bought newly from. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad at remembering places from where I bought it, but I'll link it down below. I recently bought it, I think, from Myntra only, but don't remember the brand. Is it Code or what? Not remember. But yeah, it's a very comfortable t-shirt. I've worn it once already. You might have seen it in my Diwali travel blog. So yeah. And then this cardigan is a street find. It is so soft and so cuddly. And this bag goes perfectly with this outfit. And for shoes or slippers, I've gone for my lovely flat slippers from Dressberry. Look at this, guys. It is so classy and it's so comfortable to walk because on the airport you have to walk a lot. And this is just perfect. And when you just want to put your legs up, you just remove them, put your legs up. And yeah, you can also wear socks with it to stay warm because in the flight it's cold. Anyway, so this bag is very, very convenient to carry as a lounge bag, as a carry-on because it's quite spacious. So I feel like it's perfect. Let me wear this cardigan and show you what the full look would look like. There you go. This is the complete look with the cardigan on. And yeah, this bag can be carried this way also with the name in the front, or this way also with the straps in the front. It's both way. It looks very good. So this is outfit number two with this bag. Love it. All right, look number three, and one of my favorites because it has animal print on it, guys. And as you know, I am a sucker for animal prints, anything animal print. So yeah, this trouser is an online purchase from some, well, I think Myntra or Nykaa Fashion, long time ago, and I've been wearing it non-stop for the past 2 years. It's so lightweight, it's polyester, and I usually take it out in the autumn season because it's neither too cold nor too hot. This is certainly not suitable for hot weather, but this is good for autumn when you're transitioning from like a hot to a cold weather. And then I paired it with this top. These are tank tops which I have bought in bulk, like green color, pink color, white color, black color, and they're so useful to wear underneath jackets or just like that, with like flowy bottoms. So yeah, perfect for this. And with the boots, I have gone. I think these are Zudio boots. I never remember where I bought them from, but I think they're Zudio boots. And yeah, this bag goes perfectly with this. And just to add an element of animal print, I have added this pretty animal print scarf which I had bought from H&M I think last year, and I've been using it non-stop as a neck scarf, a hand scarf, a purse scarf. I love to use it that way. So this is a perfect outfit. I think I can easily pull it off in my office as an office wear, or also as an evening outing wear, since I have boots on. So this has a dual purpose, like a transitional outfit from morning to evening with this pretty purse. It's perfect with this, and I love it. All right, outfit number four is this very smart green shirt dress that I have. This is, I think, again from Code, if I'm not wrong. I purchased this 2 years ago, I think, online. And oh no, it was not online. I think I bought it from the store. But I've been wearing it a lot during this transitional season because it has this lovely khaki or olive green kind of color, which goes perfectly in the transitional season. And it has its own belt, which is net type of belt. But I like to wear it when it is like transitioning from like summer to monsoon, where it is more white. With this one, I like to wear tan during autumn season, and I'm wearing my very high heel. Again, I think Shitopia boots. I don't really wear these too much nowadays because I'm not very comfortable with like a 2-inch heel now, but they are very, very smart. I've shown it to you a zillion times, and this bag is perfect to go with this. And yeah, this outfit really spells an evening coffee date or something, or just a casual outing kind of vibe. And yeah, this bag is spacious, so maybe while during the outing or while having your coffee, you want to pop a few things in the display window that you like, you can just pop it in this bag because it's quite spacious. So yeah, let me know what you think. I love this dress, guys. I think I'll give it a 7 on 10 for this particular pairing, because the chocolate color is a little bit off from the tan color, but then that's how the autumn color mixing happens. So love this one. All right, now the last outfit, last look with this person. This was quite a wild card. Honestly, I was looking for something more like evening party vibe, but then I realized that this bag doesn't really have a party vibe. It's more of a casual gathering or officey, kind of bag. So I just decided on this one. I've never made this combination before, but pink and black is one of my favorite combinations as well. And I felt like let me go all like monochrome. I mean, let's assume that you have to go to some casual, gathering at your friend's place, and you have to carry some little gift with them for them, so you can carry it in this particular bag. It's perfect to carry the gift, and yeah, you can just put a coat on top of this casual outfit, and then over there, when you're in the house, you can just take off the coat, and this goes perfectly. And for shoes, I've gone for my very old, how do you say, street shop bought boots. They're already damaged, to be honest, but they have done me good. I have worn them a lot in the past few seasons. I think they are nearly 5 years old, and the chain and all has come off now, but they still fit me very well. So I thought I'll just wear with this to go with the purse because it's dark chocolate brown boots along with this purse. So, what do you think, guys? I love this outfit. This is the first time I've made this combination. I just added a belt with it to make it look nice and match with the brown vibes. And this coat, by the way, I think it was bought from a Tibetan market in Surat last year, and I have worn it but once since then because it was bought at the very end of the winter, and here in Mumbai we don't have this kind of like very cold environment. So yeah, I usually like to wear it as a airport look also when I have to go to places which are very cold. And I have a trip coming up, so I think I might wear this. Anyway, let me know what you think. I love this outfit. I think I'll give it an 8 on 10 for the look that it is giving. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. I love it. Alright, folks, so that's all from me for the November edit of One Piece 5 looks. I hope you liked all the combinations that I made with the bag. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below. I will see you again next week with another vlog. Until then, take care, have fun, happy shopping.